In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks to your Microsoft to-do list, a simple yet powerful tool to help you stay organized and manage your daily tasks efficiently. First, you'll want to fire up your web browser and search for Microsoft To Do. It's a web-based platform, so no need to download any additional software. Just open your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, and type in Microsoft To Do in the search bar. Hit enter, and the search results should display the official website right at the top. Once you've reached the Microsoft To Do homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can create one for free by following the prompts. Once signed in, you'll have the freedom to access your lists and tasks from virtually any device. Now that you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you can choose the list you'd like to add a task to. You might have a variety of lists based on different categories like work, personal, or even projects you are managing. But for today, let's keep it simple and go with the default tasks list. This is a great place to start if you're new to Microsoft To Do or just need a general space to capture those quick thoughts. Ready to add your first task? Simply locate and click on the Add a Task button. It's usually pretty visible, often displaying a plus sign to indicate that you're about to create something new. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see a new field pop up where you can type out the description of your task. For instance, if you need to remind yourself to pick up groceries, just type that in. Once you've typed out your task, all you need to do is press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action not only saves what you've entered, but also officially adds it to your list. And just like that, you've created a task. You can continue adding more tasks following the same steps. Each task you create will be saved automatically, so there's no need for any extra clicking or worry about losing your tasks if you accidentally close the page. Adding tasks is pretty straightforward, isn't it? But remember, Microsoft To Do offers more than just task creation. It allows you to set deadlines, add notes, and even tag your tasks for better organization. For more in-depth features, check out our other guides. That's all for today's tutorial on adding tasks to your Microsoft To Do list. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and stress-free.